Blytheswood Childcare Service is a setting for disabled children and also children that are able-bodied. I decided to start the setting up after my son Dovan was born with a very rare chromosome disorder called chromosome 8. He was the only child in the country with it. We found some childminders, but we found that they didn't really have the experience and the confidence to deal with the needs at that time. So I took the plunge and decided that we were going to turn our setting into one that specialised in care for children with disabilities.
Children can be left here, you know, with parents feeling 100% secure that they're getting the best possible care. And Helen's qualifications have added to that confidence for parents and Helen.
Returning to learning has given our setting a bit of a confidence, really. We've had to take specialised training. We've done paediatric first aid, nasogastric tube feeding, gastrostomy feeding, EpiPen training. We specialise in MACTON and BSL, and I think it's really good that when the parents come into our setting with their children, we've done it, and they trust us.
Well done, Helen, and thank you for giving me a wonderful assessing experience. And I look forward to seeing some of the students that you're working with now coming through to gain awards in the future. You've been truly inspirational.
I'm really proud of you and congratulations on all your awards and what you've achieved.
Well done, Mum.
You win an award for just having the best job in the world and doing something that you love. It's madness that you can win an award for doing it. It's great.